Hi everybody and welcome. So today this is Umar from Simple Tutorials. We will be discussing about how to set up MSI Afterburner on screen display. So let's just get started with that. Now what we're gonna do is, you can see first we need to head over to official landing pages of MSI Afterburner. Let me show you that as well. So this is the place we should be heading over to, and click on these download links. So we also have beta version that we can try out. So if you want to get some advanced features that are still under testing, you can click on the second option, or if you want to get started with the final version, we have 4.6.5. so once you download it, you're going to be scrolling down and clicking on download Afterburner and run as administrator. Once you do that, select your language. Setup page will be here. You can see as in the screenshot. Click on the options that you want and click on next. Eventually you will be able to install it. So that's how easily you can set up MSI Afterburner. Eventually once you do, you will be able to see that we are good to go and the software is ready. So that's how easily you can get started with it. Consider donating using the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, stay tuned and see you around in the next video.